In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Paperform with VBOUT. This integration can streamline your workflow by automatically sending data from Paperform directly into VBOUT. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly connect these two powerful tools using Zapier. First things first, you'll need to head over to Zapier's website, which is zapier.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to do that first. After logging in, look for the Create Zap button. This will be your starting point for integrating Paperform with VBOUT. Next, let's set up the trigger app. A trigger in Zapier is the event that starts your Zap. In this case, you'll want to select Paperform as the trigger app. Then you're going to choose New Form Submission as the trigger event. What this means is that every time there's a new form submission in Paperform, Zapier will kick off an action in VBOUT. After choosing the trigger event, you'll need to connect your Paperform account to Zapier, which involves granting Zapier access to your form submissions. Once connected, you can choose which form you want to monitor for new submissions. Now it's time to set up the Action app. This is the task that Zapier will automatically perform for you. Choose VBOUT for your Action app. Depending on what you want to achieve with this integration, you can select Add Contact to List or another action that suits your needs. To proceed, you will need to connect your VBOUT account. Zapier will ask you to enter your API key from the VBOUT settings. It's important to safely handle your API key since it's a piece of sensitive information that provides access to your VBOUT account. Once you have your action set, it's time to map the fields from Paperform to VBOUT. This step is crucial because it tells Zapier exactly which data in Paperform should go into which fields in VBOUT. For example, you'll map the name, email, and phone number from a new form submission in Paperform to the corresponding fields within VBOUT. You might also have some custom fields that you'll want to map. Finally, it's a good idea to test your Zap to ensure that everything is working as expected. In Zapier, there's a testing feature that simulates the process, showing you exactly how the data will flow from Paperform to VBOUT. If everything looks good, click the Publish Zap button to activate your automation. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Paperform with VBOUT using Zapier. This integration will save you time and ensure your contacts are always up to date in VBOUT. Thanks for watching and happy automating.